Export and import single WordPress post as CSV in one click with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hi there. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to export and import a single post record as CSV directly from the Create or Edit view in WordPress with just one click. WP Ultimate CSV Importer makes it easy to back up individual records and import them directly from the WordPress Editor view. No need to navigate to the plugin interface unless you're working with bulk imports or exports. This feature simplifies the migration and backup of individual posts. For instance, you can export the drafted article on your staging site and seamlessly transfer it to your production site by importing it when it's ready to go live. The feature is implemented for post types like posts, pages, custom posts, and WooCommerce products. Let's see how this works. Step 1. Exporting a post. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and make sure the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin is installed and activated. Visit a post type like posts, pages, or any custom post type. For this example, I'll choose posts. In the list view, select a post to open its edit view. Note, the post I'm using has already been published in the local instance. Now, we need to export this post. On the Edit view, locate the Import/Export menu. You'll see the Import/Export icon listed along with the WordPress menus if the plugin is installed. Click on it to open a sidebar with Import and Export tabs. Switch to the Export tab and click the Export CSV button. The post data will be downloaded as a CSV file to your computer. Let's open the file. You'll notice that all the post fields and their values are neatly exported. Here's an important tip: do not modify the headers in the CSV file. The format of the headers is required for the import process to work correctly. However, you can update the field values before importing. Step 2. Importing a post. Now, let's import the file. Visit your WordPress dashboard where you want to import the exported CSV and navigate to the Add New view for the same post type, in this case, posts. Click on the Import/Export icon to open the sidebar. Switch to the Import tab and click the Choose File button. Select the CSV file you just exported and click Open. Click the Upload Import button to start the process. The import will be completed within a few seconds. Once done, you'll see a clear button to reset the import form for future use. Below that, you'll see a success message with the newly imported post ID and a Click Here button. Click it to view the imported post. You'll notice that all the post fields and their values have been successfully imported. This is how you can use the single record CSV export and import feature in WP Ultimate CSV Importer, right from the WordPress Create and Edit views. Remember, the process requires you to export the post first and then import the same CSV file. That's all to know for now. We hope you enjoy using this feature. If you have any ideas or feedback, feel free to reach out to us at support@smackcoders.com. Thanks for watching our video.